What's up everyone, welcome back to Boeing Boy, and as you can see, right now I'm in the clouds and now I'm in the cockpit of a Boeing 737. Oh damn, Concorde! Oh. So basically this is our new setup. I've got a green screen behind me now and this will really help me out. This will make all the videos a lot more interesting. Alright, today's video is gonna be a very interesting one because it's all about padhai. Now you might be wondering padhai kaise interesting ho sakti hai. But basically today I'll be discussing with all of you what all do you need to study to become a pilot. मेरे को बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आता है कि DGC के एग्जाम्स क्लियर करने के लिए कौन कौन से बुक्स रेफर करें, पायलट बनने के बाद क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड पायलट्स को ज़िंदगी भर पढ़ना पड़ता है. इज इट ट्रू? और पढ़ना पड़ता है तो फिर क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है? विल डिस्कस ऑल ऑफ दैट इन टुडेज वीडियो, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. I'm loving this. Let's get started. Okay, हम शुरुआत करेंगे assuming that you all are in school right now or maybe in college or you're working. Basically you haven't started your aviation career. Then what should you be studying? Well, very simple, nothing. कुछ मत पढ़ो. Come with a blank slate. I get this question a lot from people who are in school right now. They ask me कि मैं अभी 11th में हूँ या 12th में हूँ या 10th में हूँ और मैं क्या पढ़ूँ अभी से. And I know where this mindset comes from. IIT, JEE और नीट की तैयारी स्कूल में शुरू हो जाती है. एविएशन डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. योर पढ़ाई विल ओनली स्टार्ट आफ्टर योर क्लास 12th और आफ्टर योर ग्रेजुएशन. बेसिकली जब यू आर डन विद एवरीथिंग एल्स एंड नाउ यू स्टेप्ड इनटू एविएशन. हाउएवर इफ यू आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड एंड इफ यू वांट टू नो स्टफ, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज वॉच सम यूट्यूब वीडियोस. गुड थिंग. वॉच बोइंग बॉय. वेरी गुड थिंग. You can also study a book which is called From the Grounds Up. So it's basically a very old book, छोटी सी किताब है इतनी सी, and that book has a lot of detail on a lot of topics and it gives the basic of every topic in aviation. I would recommend getting that book. अगर वही मिल जाए तो ऑनलाइन बहुत महंगी मिलती है, तो मतलब खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं. अगर बहुत महंगी मिल रही है तो पैसे बर्बाद मत करो. Now let's get to the real thing. आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि अब आपको पायलट बनना है. You stepped into aviation, you started your ground classes. Now what do you need to study? तो इसमें there are two options. You either take ground classes or you study on your own. If you want to study on your own, what I would recommend is कि there are 5 subjects you have to clear. So which are navigation, meteorology, regulations, technical general and RTR. Out of these 5 subjects, I would recommend that you take classes for at least navigation, technical and RTR. Because all 3 of them are very vast subjects. They're huge. The syllabus requires some concepts की understanding. There are also some numericals. So overall I would recommend इन तीनों के लिए classes ले लो. बचे meteorology and regulations. These are comparatively smaller topics. So what I can do is I can recommend you books for meteorology and regulation. Met के लिए study IC Joshi and regulations के लिए study RK Bali. These are the most common books. And market में आराम से मिल जाती हैं. They're not very expensive either. You can study through these books and they should in all probability have you clear your met and regulations. अगर नहीं होता एक बार में तो classes ले लो. Don't waste your time 2-3 months just studying on your own again and then failing again. Doesn't make sense. Also classes लेने का एक फ़ायदा और ये है कि you get to understand stuff much better. Provided जो पढ़ा रहा है वो अच्छे से पढ़ा रहा है obviously. But if you're learning well in a class, you get to learn stuff much better. And remember, the ultimate aim of studying ground classes or any kind of padhai in aviation is not to clear DGC exams. That is certainly not the aim. The aim is to get an airline job, to become an airline pilot, to clear that airline entrance exam. तो उसके हिसाब से पढ़ाई करो. Don't study for DGC exams. अगर आप लोगों को navigation और technical के लिए कुछ extra books चाहिए जो आपकी ground classes provide नहीं कर रही हैं, तो you can always refer to Oxford. It's probably the best book. Online काफ़ी जगह हैं torrents पे and multiple places it's available as soft copies. You can download it. Just Google for Oxford, navigation and for technical general. Next पढ़ाई की स्टेज आती है once you join your flying school. वहाँ पे जाके it's all very practical. यहाँ पे actual aircraft उड़ाना होता है तो इतना कुछ ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. However, don't give up on your studies. Keep studying. Keep these IC Joshis and RK Balis and Oxfords. Keep them updated. Keep studying them. थोड़ा revise करते रहो. Otherwise सब भूल जाओगे eventually. Then comes I think the second most important time in your life, and that is after you get your CPL license and before you get an airline job. इसके बीच का part. इस part में you have to study very hard. This is your main struggle because now you're sitting at home, you don't have a job and you have to study. But इस time पे जो पढ़ जाता है ना, उनका पूरा करियर इज आइदर मेड और ब्रोकन. In whatever time you're sitting at home, just give it your all, study through all of the books for your CPL. Also clear your ATPL exams. These ATPL exams, again Oxford की किताबें are enough for them. Only 3 exams for ATPL, 2 for navigation and 1 for Met. After CPL बस लगे रहो पढ़ाई में. Let everything be on your tips and believe me, no one's gonna stop you from getting that airline job. अगला सवाल आता है कि आपने सुना होगा कि एयरलाइन पायलट्स को ज़िंदगी भर पढ़ना पड़ता है, and that is true. हमें ज़िंदगी भर पढ़ना पड़ता है because rules and regulations keep changing, aircrafts keep getting updated, you might move on to a new aircraft जिसके लिए आपको फिर से बहुत कुछ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. and even if you're flying on one single aircraft for a long time, हर 6 महीने में हमें चेक देने होते हैं, तो उन चेक में जाके हमारा चेक होता है, और चेक के लिए ऑब्वियसली you'll have to study. फ्लाइंग तो आ ही जाती है, बट द theoretical part, how to handle non-normal situations, what non-normal situation, plus there's also a viva involved. So for all of that you do have to study, but is it a lot? To be very honest, no, not at all. It's good if you're studying every day. आप एक काफ़ी बैठे बैठे अपनी किताबें पढ़ रहे हो, you're refreshing your memory, you know everything about the aircraft, that is great, but it's not exactly a requirement. You don't have to compulsorily do it. If you want to be a better pilot, you can do it for sure. Okay, so just to recap, if you haven't started studying right now about aviation, or if you're still in school or college, you can start studying with From the Grounds Up. Good book, recommended. If you've joined aviation, then what I would recommend is IC Joshi for Met, RK Bali for regulations, and Oxford for technical general and navigation. These are all very great books. However, studying them and understanding them on your own could be a problem, and if you try to do it on your own, प्लीज़ नो दैट यू माइट एंड अप फीलिंग ओवरवेलम्ड कि मेरे को तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा ये हो क्या रहा है, और मेरे साथ वालों को इतना ज़्यादा आ गया, मैं खुद से पढ़ रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं आ रहा. दैट माइट हैपन. इफ दैट हैपन्स, स्विच ओवर टू ग्राउंड क्लासेस, स्विच ओवर टू अ गुड ground classes. There's a lot of people out there who are teaching and they're not exactly very good at it. After you are done with your CPL license, start studying Oxford books. That's it. And clear your ATPL exams. If you're type rated, go through all the books of your aircraft, especially the FCOMs, memory items, limitations, etc. And then after you get a job, वाला पार्ट अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा. उसके लिए आपको बोइंग बॉय की वीडियो देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड इट हेल्प्ड यू आउट. कीप स्टडिंग, कीप रॉकिंग, be great pilots, and I'll see you guys in the next one.